practice I've seen is the director would usually request, if there's a suspicion in respect of a particular document for nationality, would usually request an opinion from the Office of the Solicitor General. We would usually render an opinion. Thereafter, based on the Nationality Act, the minister has the general power under the law to revoke that nationality once he or she is satisfied that the law, the requirements of the act has not been met. Be that as it may, you may have some instances where it is difficult to assume certain issues, so we would usually advise, out of an abundance of caution, we should make all efforts to see if we can contact the person. Barring that, having satisfied yourself that you've made sufficient efforts to make contact with that person, I think you can then proceed with the issue of revocation. Because in some of them, they're so palpably bad, you just have to recommend revocation of the nationality.
Prior to my question, had you heard about that list of approximately 2,000 people?
No, no.
No. You're not aware that one of the directors, Ms. Main, had testified in relation to that list?
I'm aware of her testimony, but not to the extent that it was 2,000 that may be out there.
So, Mr. Solicitor, in relation to that list, let's confine ourselves to that list, whatever the number is there any legal reason why nothing has been done with respect to the persons on that list?
I don't think so, but one of the things that we need to be very careful of in terms of the list, and I don't know in terms of that list of 2,000, the various potential jurisdictions from which those persons may have emanated from. And that is a critical issue, because why I say that we have a mechanism, a regime under our Mutual Legal and International Cooperations Act for us to liaise with certain jurisdictions to inquire of information of persons. So I think to answer your question directly, no, I don't think, at least from where I sit, in respect of the 2,000 that you mentioned, it could be we might have dealt with some of those, but we deal with them on a case-by-case basis. So there's a possibility out of the set that we've advised on, it is part of the 2,000, I'm not sure.